Good morning everyone. Myself Shivankar Datta is a developer of in Hydra team, and our group member names are Purvasha Banerjee, she is the leader. Sneha Vishwas, she is the designer. Mopali Shane, she is the data scientist, and Shyamantan is the researcher, and I as a developer. Our project is on air quality checker. So nowadays we are inhaling a very bad quality air which is harmful to us. For example, the air quality index is becoming low day by day due to the companies and companies smokes, and ozone layer is also depleting due to that. Many chemicals like sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, and ammonia, which is harmful for both the human bodies and the living bodies. Living bodies like fish, horticulture, agriculture. Why? Because due to this chemical, our rainfall is becoming degrade day by day due to acid rain. When sulfur dioxide and nitric oxide are mixed with the cloud, as a result acid rain is done, and due to that horticulture is been deploying day by day. So we how can technology help it? Technology, we have a certain data set from which I can show. It is yeah. So some cities are here, some cities like if I open my Jupyter notebook, yeah, some cities like we have collected some data like collected some data from cities like Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bajrang Nagar, Chennai, Chandigarh, and Kochi, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai. These are the cities where we have collected data. This is the data of 2015 to 2018. Sorry, 2015 to 2020. In this data, we have the PM2.5, PM10, NO means nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide, ammonia, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone, benzene, toluene. These are the some chemical name which are mixed with the air, and these are some special chemical which make the air degradable, and we can't means it make the air polluted. In sense I say it make the air polluted. So these are the data set. This is the data set, and I have run it in Python, and we have used some algorithms to predict our data. So these are some data, and we have used. I have shown the outputs. It could be no idea means none, poor, very poor. According to the data, it will predict the output: poor, very poor, severe, moderate, satisfactory, good. Okay. So if we read the data, there are approximately 30,000 data. Okay, approximately 30,000 data. So we have used decision tree because I personally I found and the member and the data scientist has found that decision tree is the best classifier to predict the data. So we have used decision tree with the help of sklearn, and we have fill none value where the none are with the zeros in the x side, and the fill none no idea with the y side. And at last when we fit it, this is the decision tree, and after this predicting we got some output. So this is a total data set and the algorithm we have used in the backend or in the server side, and from that we have deployed in it Heroku platform as a API which we have used it, and at last we have made an Android app that takes some input and give some output to it. Okay, so let's go there. So yes, if you can see, this is our app, Hydra app. When I open it, you can see the loading page. It will show some health news, okay, which is yes, it is beneficial for you. It's the COVID-19 and something like that all news, all the health news you will shown here. And there is a weather checker, that what is the weather and how is the weather. It will totally, it is API, and it will be predicted according to, as it is the specialty is that if the background is changed with the nature and the weather. If it is sunny day, so it is background will be automatically turn into sunny. If the background if the weather is winter or it is cold, it will automatically change into a winter background. So this is the specialty of this, and a sweet music will be played in the background. Okay. And with that, about the elements, if we check the about the element, the nitrogen dioxide, what are the use and what are the causes, due to what are the causes of the nitrogen dioxide in the air. So if you can see, these are the some data pre-written here: ammonia, carbon monoxide, xylene, toluene, PM 2.5, benzene, and air AQI, air quality index. Okay. And this is the, yes, this is the main part of this, that if we have to fill some data, and according to it, it will predict the output. Okay, so let me fill the data. So I am currently I am filling some data about which I have. So 27.53. Let me fill it, then I will continue it. So okay, I have filled the data, and you can see the PM 2.5 level and PM 10 level, all I have filled here. When I click on submit, it is saying let AI predict your data, our data. Okay, so let it predict. Till that I am waiting. So yes, you can see the data is written from the server and the API which we have made from this. When we deployed it, it is saying the yes, it is moderate. Okay, so what are the future prediction that we can do? So if it written moderate, so yes, we can make this app more wonderful by using the when it as a recommendation section, we will provide it if it is moderate. So it will provide some what can you say, ideas that yes, you can wear masks, and you can use a air filter. Okay, something like that. It can be predict, and as a result, it will return some data to the user. Okay, so this is the total app we have made it, and yes, yes, we can use exit to close the app. So this is the total app we have made it using Python and Java. Python is a server side, and Java to make the Android app. So I hope you would like it, and thank you.